And I want to take this one step forward. We know that the ref command is only giving us the sectional units number. I am now therefore looking at a command that will generate this whole phrase, not just the number, but also indicating that this number belongs to a sectional unit, okay, rather than us explicitly typing it out. To do this, we will look into packages. Packages are one of the main reasons why LaTeX is so popular. Packages make LaTeX extendable. By default, LaTeX comes with a bunch of commands that lets you achieve some amount of typesetting. However, we all know that our individual preferences vary. We love customizing. Packages allow such customizations. Whatever be your requirement, it is highly probable that there is a package that helps you achieve it. We will be using packages throughout this course. The first package that we'll be looking into is Hyperref. To use a package, we need to head over to the preamble in our .tex file. In line 7, I will use the command use package. Within the curly brackets, I will mention the package name, Hyperref, and explicitly write the syntax for the command. So / use package, open curly brackets, package name, and close curly brackets. I've not made any changes to my .tex file apart from using the Hyperref package. I've recompiled. Now the first thing that we clearly see is that all our cross-references numbers have been enclosed in red boxes. So if I take my arrow to that, it's actually clickable. They are no longer static numbers, they're actually hyperlinks. So what I mean by that is, if I click on this particular reference, it goes to section 1 because that's what I've been referring there, right? Now if I go down and click on this particular reference number, you see it goes to my first subsection. Just by using the Hyperref package, all my cross references have been hyperlinked. They are now clickable. Another thing is, if you see my table of contents, everything is clickable. Correct? Before it was all static. Let us now use the Hyperref package to actually make our cross references. Coming down to the end of a .tex file, just going to comment this out and write as discussed in /autoref. So this is a command that is made available to us because we are using the Hyperref package. To this, I specified the label of the entity that I want to refer to. Compile. Perfect. Note that I didn't manually specify that the entity that I'm referring to is a section. I just specified the label. The Autoref automatically specified what type of entity that I was referring to. It said it's a section and the number is 1. This is especially handy when you are writing large documents with equations, figures, all of it. You don't have to manually specify what you're referring to. You can just use the Autoref command and specify the label. I can go ahead and add a reference to the subsection as well, adding a reference to Autoref. I'll provide the subsection label. If I compile, perfect. It automatically picked up what type of entity that I'm referring to, which is a subsection, and specified the corresponding number as well. To summarize, the ref command only gives us the entity number, but here Autoref automatically gives us what type of entity and then specifies the corresponding number. If you do not like the default behavior of Hyperref, wherein the references are hyperlinked, what you can do is you can go to the corresponding Autoref and put an asterisk next to it. Now, if I compile, you can see this subsection 1.1 is no longer hyperlinked. It's not clickable anymore.